So this is pretty random, but I'm actually packing for a last-minute trip to LA with my boyfriend and a couple of his friends. So I thought it would be cool to bring you guys along with me in figuring out what outfits to pack for this. So this will be a 4-day trip at the beginning of May, and we'll be attempting to fit all of my stuff in this one carry-on bag. So it actually looks pretty big in the camera here, but to me, this is very, very small. And believe it or not, this is like the first time that I'm only relying on a small carry-on bag for a trip outside of Canada. So this will be interesting. So I'll walk you through what I'm bringing, why I chose each clothing item, and how I'm going to make everything fit. Because honestly, I'm not even that confident, but we'll find out. And I'll be sharing some packing tips that are perfect for anyone running behind on schedule like me. So I still have about a week left to pack, which isn't bad. But today is one of the only days this week that I'll be free to kind of figure out what I'm packing. So to start off, I typically start my packing with a handy dandy list that I've recycled over and over again from previous trips. And then I adjust it accordingly to my current trip. I used to use the Notes app on my iPhone for rough lists, but for the last few trips, I've been using an app called Notion. And I mainly use that app for planning and brainstorming, note-taking, for content creation purposes. I also use it for very simple tasks like this. So you can instantly make a to-do list where you can conveniently check off an item after packing it. And this video is not sponsored by Notion. I just really like using the app, so I just figured I'd share with you guys what I use. But yeah, if you're starting a list from scratch, if you're in a rush, it's really easy to feel overwhelmed with where to even start. And I think it's more difficult among women than men because a lot of us girls like packing a lot of outfits and skincare and makeup. So it could be a lot, but with guys, they just pack like 3 shirts, 2 pairs of pants, and they're good to go. And especially for my fashion girlies out there who still want to look stylish and take Instagram photos like me, it can definitely be difficult to figure out which outfit you should pack while saving space. But as I was saying, if you are starting from scratch, I'll start off by organizing my list into about like 5 to 6 sections. For the purpose of this trip, I've separated mine into clothes and accessories, skincare, makeup, bath, and then other. So I personally like starting off with the hardest stuff to pack. And for me, that includes outfits. And your outfits are going to be based on the temperature of where you're going, as well as the activities that you'll be doing. In my case, I'm going in early May, so I know that the absolute lowest temperature there will be around 13 to 14 degrees maybe, and then the highest will probably be like 22 to 24 degrees. So I actually think that's a pretty ideal temperature. And in terms of activities, based on the itinerary, we'll be doing a lot of walking, and the guys that will be attending are really into food. So we'll be going to a lot of restaurants during the day and night, as well as some touristy areas during the day, and then maybe a couple of bars and clubs or something like that during the nighttime. So right off the bat, I immediately know that I need to pack a lot of comfortable and versatile clothing. So that means a lot of t-shirts for during the day, and then like long sleeves, and maybe some cardigans and sweaters during the nighttime. As for bottoms, I'm most likely going to avoid packing like shorts and skirts just because I don't think the weather is that hot enough to wear clothes like that. So I'm probably going to pack long pants or even long skirts. And my main pair of shoes will obviously be sneakers because I know we'll be walking a lot. And I know that I don't really need to pack that because I'll be wearing that as a part of my airport outfit already. But I am going to bring another pair of dressy shoes for the nighttime, preferably a pair that will match really easily with other outfits. And as for beaches, we're going to visit at least one beach, and I don't think we're going to chill by the water or be walking in the sand that much. But I will bring a pair of sandals just in case. But I think first priority will be the dressy shoes. The first outfit is super easy, pretty much my departure airport outfit. So my go-to outfit for that is pretty simple. For bottoms, either going to be flare leggings or sweatpants. For the top, I either go for a comfy t-shirt or tank top, and then I'll wear a warm zip-up hoodie. And this is the perfect airport outfit for me, and I always go for this look because it's super comfortable, stylish, and in my case, I definitely need a super comfortable outfit because I'm probably going to be wearing this outfit for like 9 hours straight because we're departing at 6 a.m. It's like a 5-6 hour flight. Then there's a time difference. when we arrive, and then we don't get to check in until like 3 p.m. that day. So I'm pretty much going to be living in this outfit. So I'm obviously going to wear something that's comfortable, and I want to make sure that the outfit is ideal for the temperature in Toronto, because I know it's going to be very, very chilly still in the morning, but I also still want the outfit to work for LA weather, which is warmer. So I can easily take off the hoodie if I feel really hot. Now, the hard part in my opinion is figuring out the rest of the outfits. And in most cases, I think wearing one outfit for the entire day is fine, but just in case, I do want to pack extra pieces, especially ones that can transition from day outfits to night outfits. So what I mean by that is I'm going to try my best to use one clothing item twice in one day. So I'll most likely wear the same bottoms, but just switch out the top with something else that's more appropriate for nighttime activities. And I'm doing this to save as much space as I can in my carry-on. So the key is to pack the absolute most essential pieces that will work for multiple outfits throughout your entire trip. And I know this is tricky for last-minute packers, but I think it's still doable. So I was thinking of wearing this outfit for day 2. I believe this day is going to be pretty jam-packed with some tours, visiting restaurants, and checking out some bars, clubs, and even shows. So during the day, I think this white crop tee and black jersey skirt will work. It's a very simple, basic, and casual outfit, but I still think it's pretty stylish, especially with this fanny pack and sunglasses. And I think this is going to be the only sunglasses that I'm going to bring, because I know for sure that this pair will match every outfit that I bring. And during the nighttime, I'm going to swap this top with this long black scoop neck long sleeve. It even has some string designs on the back, which I think is a nice touch. To further dress it up, I added these black ankle boots and this black purse. As you can see, adding these two accessories instantly makes it look dressy. Based on the itinerary for day 3, I believe we're going to visit Venice Beach, and I'm not sure if I'm going to participate in this, but I believe they also wanted to try out the outdoor gym there. So that'll be pretty cool. So just in case, I thought this outfit was perfect because these flare leggings are perfect for the gym, and the material of this top works best also for physical activity. And then I threw on the same sunglasses and this casual tote bag. And then for the evening, I'm going to leave the same bottoms on, but to dress it up a little, I'm going to throw on this brown fake leather jacket and black purse. For those who already have neutral pieces like me, it'll be pretty easy mixing and matching items, because chances are the accessories that you already own will match a lot of your outfits already. And I might not even need the jacket, but I just wanted to bring one just in case, because I know it can get quite chilly during the evening and nighttime. All right, so day 4, I decided to pair this white crop t-shirt with these maxi denim skirt. And this is actually a different white t-shirt. I actually own 2 to 3 white crop t-shirts, and I'm wearing the same tote bag and the same sunglasses. And if you're not a fan of maxi skirts, then jeans will definitely work too. I'm actually debating whether or not I should swap out the skirt with pants, either like my vintage wash jeans or my other baggy ones, but we'll see. And as we transition into the evening and at nighttime, I'm going to keep the bottoms but swap out the top with this long sleeve top. Just because again, it is going to be a little chilly at night. To dress up the outfit further, I threw on the same ankle boots and bag. So a styling tip that I want to share in order to save space is to make sure that your bag or purse matches with your shoes. Whether it's a dressy shoe or a casual shoe, having at least 2 other accessories that match each of these shoes is ideal. So I couldn't help myself. I decided to throw on this dress just in case. It's this flattering dress that could be dressed up or down, depending on the shoes and accessories that you wear. So I think this is a versatile dress to bring in case we make sudden plans to check out other shows or bars or clubs or whatever. I think this dress would work in any of those settings. So here I'm just folding my clothes and placing it in my carry-on. And I've been doing this technique for a long time. I roll my clothes like so to save even more space. I didn't really want to use this method on my jacket, but I did it with all my shirts and pants. so we actually did it. I'm gonna be honest, I had some doubts throughout this process, but I'm glad that we finally got it sorted. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will of course be taking you all with me to LA. This is my first time there, so stay tuned for upcoming vlogs. Please consider giving this video a like and subscribe for more content.